today we are going to start our new topic, that is soil erosion. So this is very common topic which we are studying from our earlier classes, 6, 7, 8, and now also we are studying this agriculture. So as we all know that what is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth crust. So what is soil erosion? We should know what is soil erosion. So soil erosion is what? It is the washing or blowing away of the top layer of the soil. Means there are different layers of the soil. So the top layer of the soil which is removed or erode, that is known as soil erosion. And this soil erosion can be the different agents like water or wind. Okay. So erosion, whether it is by water, wind or tillage, involving three distinct actions like soil detachment, soil movement and soil deposition. So through erosion these three actions takes place. What are the three actions? That is soil detachment, soil movement and soil deposition. So these are the three actions which takes place by the soil erosion. Now we will see what are the different types of soil erosion. So as we have studied earlier that there are different types of like wind erosion, water erosion and all that. So now we will see different types of soil erosion. So there are different types of soil erosion. First is geological erosion, accelerated erosion, then wind erosion, water erosion. So these are the different types of soil erosion which we will see one by one. So first is what? First we will discuss the geological erosion. Geological erosion is what? It is a normal process, or we can say it is a natural process. Okay, and this how it is represented? It represents the erosion of the land in natural environment. Means it occurs naturally, and it is caused by effect of, that is the rainfall, runoff, wind, topography and atmospheric temperature. So these are the different factors which affect the geological erosion. Now second is the accelerated erosion. Accelerated erosion is due to the man-made activities, means it is artificial, which is made by the human being, which have brought about changes in natural cover and soil condition. The activities which are included in the accelerated erosion are, that is the land preparation for raising crops, then land use patterns for building houses, infrastructure, industries, hill cutting, deforestation, lack of soil conservation and watershed management. So these are the activities due to the accelerated erosion. Now next is the water erosion we will see, then we will see the wind erosion, or then water erosion is what? The impact of raindrops. Okay, since water is land, so it is easy. So I am telling first what is water erosion. So water erosion is what? Due to the rain. Okay, rain droplets. Okay, so the impact of raindrops cause the splash erosion. It is also known as splash erosion. Okay, so the runoff water causes what? It causes scraping and the transport of soil particles. Okay, from one place to another, leading to the sheet, reel and gully erosion. Then what happens? Due to water, what? The flood also causes. Okay, so the flood water causes erosion of the river bank. Okay, so flood also is the main cause of the water erosion. And the water waves cause the soil erosion of bank and sides of reservoir, lakes and oceans. Then the subsurface seepage water causes soil boiling, erosion and removal by piping also. Okay, so these are the different, what is the water erosion. We have seen what are the source, how it is caused. Okay, we have heard also that due to the flood or due to the water, soil is eroded. Now next is the wind erosion. It is the primary responsible for the creation and maintenance of desert areas. Okay, it is mainly for the desert areas. In this what happens? Finer soil particles from the top soil along with organic matter and nutrients are easily detached and removed by wind velocity. Okay, so since the due to wind, what the wind is having in the high speed, then what happens? The upper to topmost layer, which is the very fine particles. Okay, since we know that in the soil, in the topmost layer, it is very fertile soil, and it is having all the organic matter and all the nutrients are present in that, which is very useful for the plant growth. So with the wind erosion, what happens? Due to wind erosion, this soil is erode. Okay, now we have seen the different types of soil erosion. Now next is the sheet erosion is also there. Okay, so sheet erosion is what? It is the movement of soil, since soil is in the form of the layer. Okay, so is this the movement of soil from raindrops, splash and run of water, and it is typically occurs evenly over a uniform slope and goes unnoticed until most of the productive topsoil has been lost. So this is what? This is the sheet erosion. So these are the different types of soil erosion which we have seen today. Okay, so there are many more types of soil erosion which we will see. We have studied before also. Okay, so now we will see in this the last point, that is the, now we will see the last point of the soil erosion, that is the what are the problems of soil erosion. What are the problems of soil erosion? So since soil is very important for the plant growth, so due to soil erosion there are many problems occurring. Okay, so what is the problems we will see here? Loss of nutrients, loss in agricultural production, okay, reduction of infiltration rate, then land degradation, survival of wildlife, decreases in useful life of reservoir, okay, then it increased cost in tillage operation also, then desertification also. So these are the different problems of the soil erosion. So today we have seen the topic, that is the soil erosion. Next topic we will continue in the next class. Thank you.